When it comes to increasing your home's resale value, one improvement stands out for its aesthetic and functional benefits: new window installations. In Frisco, where curb appeal and energy efficiency play a big role in attracting buyers, updating your windows can make a substantial difference. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to invest in your property's future, installing modern windows offers both immediate enjoyment and long-term financial rewards. First impressions and curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing prospective buyers see, and windows are a big part of that impression. Fresh, stylish windows can transform the entire facade, making it look cleaner, more modern, and better maintained. In competitive housing markets like Frisco, homes with updated windows often stand out in listings. Buyers associate new windows with lower maintenance needs, a move-in ready condition, and an overall higher level of care. This perception can lead to stronger offers and faster sales. Energy efficiency is a selling point. Modern windows are designed with advanced energy-saving technologies such as double or triple panes, low-E glass coatings, and insulated frames. In Frisco's hot summers and mild winters, these features help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing reliance on HVAC systems. Buyers today are increasingly aware of energy costs and environmental impact. When your home offers verifiable benefits, like reduced utility bills thanks to energy-efficient windows, it becomes more attractive. Not only can this justify a higher asking price, but it can also shorten time on the market. Noise reduction for comfort. Frisco's rapid growth has brought more traffic and activity, which can lead to higher noise levels in some neighborhoods. Modern windows with enhanced insulation and tight seals help block outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful interior environment. For buyers, especially families or those working from home, a quiet living space is a major plus. Advertising noise reduction as part of your home's features can position your property as a more desirable and comfortable choice. Increased security and peace of mind. Security is always a priority for homeowners, and updated windows can offer advanced safety features like reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and shatter-resistant glass. These upgrades not only protect against break-ins but also provide added resilience against extreme weather events. When buyers see that a home already has these modern security measures, they may be more inclined to make a competitive offer, knowing they won't need to invest in those upgrades themselves. Boosting appraisal and market value. Real estate appraisers factor in the condition and quality of windows when determining a property's value. Well installed, modern windows can increase your home's appraisal, giving you more leverage during the selling process. In some cases, homeowners can see a return on investment, ROI, of 70% or more from a window replacement project, depending on the materials, design, and overall home value. For Frisco's active market, this can translate to thousands of dollars added to the final sale price. Modern design trends and buyer appeal. Window design trends, like larger panes, black frames, and minimalistic styles, can make a home feel more contemporary and open. These styles not only let in more natural light but also align with the tastes of many buyers seeking a modern aesthetic. By choosing window styles that blend functionality with trending designs, you make your property more visually appealing to a wider audience, increasing the chances of multiple offers. Final thoughts. Upgrading your windows in Frisco is more than just a cosmetic choice. It's a strategic investment that can pay off when it's time to sell. From improved curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhanced security and noise reduction, new windows check multiple boxes on a buyer's wish list. If you're considering putting your home on the market, scheduling a professional window installation now could mean a faster sale and a higher return. It's an upgrade that benefits you while you live there and rewards you when it's time to move on.